Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can get inside into Epson EcoTank printer. So what we need to do is basically pull this little tab down, and basically now you'll see the inside, and if you lift it like this, it will basically click in, and that looks like a car bonnet to me. And basically now you can work it what you'll need to clean or to look. So basically you can now work it on your printer if you need to. And now to close it, just lift it again a little bit and make sure now it sits right and correctly, so there's no any of ribs or corners facing out. And now just close this little tab, and that's how you close the printer. So if this video was been helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.